Have you ever lost an important file when it mattered most? What if you could store your files safely and access them anytime from any device? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive step by step. Let's get started. When you open Google Drive, the first thing you notice is the navigation panel on the left side. This panel helps you access different areas of your drive quickly. At the top, you will find the New button. This is one of the most important buttons in Google Drive because it allows you to create folders, upload files, upload entire folders, and create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. Below the New button, you will see sections such as Home, My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, Start, and Trash. My Drive is where your personal files and folders are stored. Shared with Me contains files and folders that other people have shared with you. Recent shows files you have recently opened or edited. Store helps you quickly access important files by marking them with a star. Trash contains deleted files that can still be restored before permanent deletion. In the center of the screen, you will find your files and folders. At the top of the page, there is the search bar. This powerful feature allows you to find files instantly by typing keywords, file names, or even owner's name. On the right side, you may see quick access tools such as Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks, which help you stay productive without leaving Google Drive. Take a few moments to explore these sections because understanding the interface will make everything else in Google Drive much easier. To keep your files organized, it's a good idea to create folders. To create a folder, click the New button on the left side of Google Drive and select New Folder. Enter a name for your folder such as work documents or personal files and then click create. Your new folder will instantly appear in Google Drive. You can create as many folders and subfolders as needed to keep your files organized and easy to find. Now let's upload files and folders to Google Drive. Click the New button and choose either File Upload or Folder Upload. Select the file or folder from your computer and click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading your content immediately. You can upload documents, PDFs, images, videos, and many other file types. Another quick method is to simply drag and drop files or folders directly into Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, your file will be stored securely in the cloud and accessible from any device connected to your Google account. Google Drive allows you to create and work on files directly in your browser without installing any software. To create a new file, click the New button and choose Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Google Docs is used for creating and editing documents similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets helps you work with spreadsheets, calculations, and data similar to Microsoft Excel. Google Slides is used for creating presentations similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Any file you create is automatically saved to Google Drive, making it easy to access, edit, and share from anywhere. As your Google Drive grows, keeping files organized becomes increasingly important. To rename a file or folder, simply right-click on it and select Rename. To move a file, right-click it, choose Move to, and select the destination folder. You can also make folders easier to identify by changing their color. Right-click a folder, select Organize, and choose a color. For files you access frequently, click the star icon or select Add to Store. This allows you to quickly find important files later from the Stored section. Using these simple organization tools can save time and keep your Google Drive neat. One of Google Drive's most powerful features is file sharing and collaboration. To share a file or folder, right-click it and select Share. You can enter specific email addresses to share with individuals or create a shareable link. Before sharing, choose the appropriate permission level. Viewer allows others to view the file only. Commenter allows others to leave comments without making changes. Editor allows others to edit the file and collaborate with you. If you use a shareable link, make sure to check whether access is restricted or available to anyone with the link. Always review sharing permissions carefully, especially when you work with important or confidential files. As the number of files in your Google Drive increases, searching becomes the fastest way to find what you need. At the top of Google Drive, you will find a search bar. Simply type a file name, keyword, or phrase, and Google Drive will instantly display matching results. You can also use search filters to narrow results by file type, owner, location, or date. Learning how to use search effectively can save a lot of time, especially when managing large numbers of files and folders. Remember that Google Drive is also available on mobile devices through the Google Drive app. The app allows you to access, upload, organize, and share files from anywhere, making it convenient to stay productive on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.